Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kyle, and in this lovely presentation I will be playing the computer technician. This brand new Dell will be playing the old Dell with the bum power source, and our lovely camera person will be Mr. C. Alright, so at first look at this computer, I can tell that we got two screws here to get off the case. So I'm going to flip this around. You're going to need a screwdriver for this, folks. If you haven't figured that out, then you probably shouldn't be working on computers. So we got two screws on this one little, I don't know what you'd call this, case thing. Comes right off. Get a lovely look at the guts here. Okay, this would be the power supply right here. And in order to get it out, looks like we have 4 screws along the side of the case. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. So, I'm going to unscrew those. You know, I'm not sure why on this brand new computer the power supply is bad.
Sometimes they come that way.
But we just have some brand new power supplies laying around, so we'll fix it right now. Okay. Ooh, nice foot catch. On these new Dells, they like to put these little tabs and stuff all over the place so things just don't go flying around everywhere. Okay, main power supply is out, but we gotta disconnect them. Okay, so right here we'd have a 24 pin 12 volt power supply going to the motherboard. Right here we have another 4 pin 5 volt going to the hard drive. Another one right here going to CD drive. These are the same voltage. And one more 4 pin going to the motherboard as well. So these ones just come out just by pulling. The one on the motherboard has this lovely little snappy thing that you kind of got to yank on. Just gotta kind of jimmy it. There it goes. One more 4 pin right here. And then I do believe that is the last piece of power connected to this baby. So I'm going to gently take out the bad power supply. Beautiful. Computer will probably not run right now because it doesn't have any power. And then
What's another reason you would buy a new power supply?
Maybe more efficient power, or for a new video card or something. More power outputs. Okay, and now we're gonna put wattage on this. 100 and wattage. Yeah, more wattage, you know. Yeah, whatever. Ask me a bunch of questions I'm not prepared for, Jesus. Then to put this back in, you just kind of gotta maneuver it all over the place. It slides back in, it clicks. You can hear it because of the little safety tab thing. 5 volts back to the CD drive. 5 volts back to the hard drive. 12 volts, the big guns, back to the motherboard. It goes in a lot easier than it comes out. And this last 4-pin to the motherboard as well. And with that, I think that leaves everything hooked up, ready to rock and roll. Put the case back on. Slides on real nice like. Two screws on the case. 4 screws to hold in the power supply itself. And that, my good sir, is just about it, I think. Hope I'm not forgetting anything, because we don't have too many of these power supplies just laying around and keep replacing. There you go, running like new.